Have you ever wondered why some relationships thrive while others just survive? The secret might be simpler than you think. It's about becoming a more loving partner. Today, let's explore this not so hidden secret, revealing 10 transformative steps that can redefine love from a man's perspective. Stay tuned. Welcome back to Couch Psychology, where we dive deep into the intricate world of relationships and self-improvement. Today, we're addressing a topic that's often misunderstood, but incredibly crucial: how to become a more loving partner. Specifically for men. In a world where masculine virtues often overshadow emotional expression, it's time we redefine what it means to be a strong, loving partner. The journey to becoming a more loving partner isn't about grand gestures or dramatic changes. It's in the nuances, the everyday actions, and the understanding of your partner's emotional world. In our society, men are often conditioned to prioritize strength and logic, sometimes at the expense of emotional depth and empathy. But love, in its truest form, calls for a balance of strength and vulnerability, understanding and respect. In this episode, we'll explore 10 achievable steps grounded in psychological research and real-world experiences to guide men in this journey. Whether you're looking to deepen your existing relationship or establish a new one on a strong foundation, these steps are about nurturing a healthy, emotional, rich partnership. As we go through these steps, remember, change doesn't happen overnight. It's a commitment to continuous growth and understanding. By the end of this episode, our aim is for you to have practical, actionable steps to enhance your relationship, fostering a deeper, more meaningful connection. Number 1, listen actively. Ever wonder why some conversations with your partner feel like they're just skimming the surface? Active listening is the key. It's more than just hearing words. It's about engaging fully. When you listen actively, you're not only absorbing what's being said, but you're also reading between the lines, understanding emotions, and showing your partner that they're truly heard. It's a game changer in communication, transforming simple talks into deep, meaningful connections. So next time your partner speaks, listen with your ears, eyes, and heart. It's not just about the words, it's about the feelings behind them. Number 2, express empathy. Imagine walking in your partner's shoes, feeling what they feel. That's empathy. It's the bridge that connects two separate worlds. By expressing empathy, you're saying, I see you, I hear you, and what you feel matters to me. It's not about agreeing or solving their problems, but about acknowledging their feelings as valid. This understanding fosters a deeper bond, making your partner feel safe and valued. It's about sharing the emotional load, making tough times a bit lighter and good times even brighter. Number 3, practice vulnerability. Showing your true self with all its imperfections might seem daunting, but it's the essence of vulnerability. It's about letting your guard down and sharing your fears, dreams, and insecurities. This openness paves the way for trust and intimacy. When you're vulnerable, you invite your partner to understand the real you beyond the facade. It's a powerful statement. I trust you with my deepest self. This vulnerability fosters a stronger, more genuine connection where both partners feel secure to be their authentic selves. Number 4, prioritize your partner's needs. It's easy to get caught up in your own needs and wants, but in a loving relationship, it's crucial to sometimes put your partner's needs first. It's not about neglecting your own needs, but about finding a balance. When you prioritize their needs, you're showing that you value and respect them. It's the small acts like listening to their day or helping out when they're overwhelmed that make a big difference. This mutual give and take is the cornerstone of a caring, balanced relationship. Number 5, cultivate emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence is like a superpower in relationships. It's about being aware of your own emotions, understanding your partner's emotions, and handling both with care. When you react with emotional intelligence, conflicts become easier to navigate and joys become more shared. It's about reading the room, knowing when to push forward or to take a step back. Growing in this area can turn misunderstandings into opportunities for growth and deepen the emotional connection with your partner. Number 6, develop shared interest. Shared interests are the thread that can weave a stronger bond. It's about finding joy in activities you both love, creating memories and experiences unique to your relationship. Whether it's cooking, hiking, or movie nights, these shared moments bring a sense of togetherness. It's not about having everything in common, but about celebrating and enjoying what you do share. This companionship in shared interests adds a fun, light-hearted dimension to your relationship, keeping the spark alive. Number 7, show appreciation regularly. In the hustle of daily life, it's easy to take each other for granted. Regularly showing appreciation is a gentle reminder of your love and gratitude. It's the thank you for the small things, that I love how you for the quirks you adore. This appreciation builds a culture of respect and admiration. It's about noticing and valuing your partner's contributions, big and small, keeping the relationship positive and uplifting. Number 8, communicate openly and honestly. Open and honest communication is the backbone of any strong relationship. It's about sharing your thoughts and feelings, even when it's uncomfortable. It's also about creating a safe space where your partner can do the same. This transparency builds trust and understanding. It's not about confrontation, it's about clarity and honesty. Through this open dialogue, you can navigate challenges together and strengthen your connection. Number 9, maintain respect and boundaries. Respect and boundaries are like the guardrails of a relationship, keeping it on track. It's about understanding and about honouring each other's limits, preferences and individuality. Maintaining respect means valuing their opinions and feelings, even when they differ from yours. Boundaries keep the relationship healthy and prevent resentments from building up. It's about having a mutual understanding of what's okay and what's not, creating a respectful and harmonious partnership. And finally, number 10, commit to continuous growth. A relationship is a living thing, constantly evolving. Committing to continuous growth means embracing change together, learning from each other and adapting as life unfolds. It's about striving to be better partners and individuals. This growth mindset keeps the relationship dynamic and exciting. It's about facing challenges together, celebrating successes, and always looking for ways to enrich your bond. As we conclude today's episode, remember that becoming a more loving partner is a journey, not a destination. It requires patience and understanding and a genuine desire to connect with your partner on a deeper level. Each step we discussed today is a building block in creating a relationship where both partners feel valued, understood, and deeply loved. In our modern world, where relationships are often seen through the lens of social media highlights, it's important to remember that true love is nurtured in the everyday moments, the quiet gestures of kindness, and the willingness to be there for each other through thick and thin. It's about creating a safe space where both partners can grow and flourish. To the men watching, Embracing these steps doesn't make you less of a man. Rather, it showcases the depth of your strength and character. It's about redefining masculinity in a way that honours both your needs and those of your partner. And to the women, encourage and support the men in your life as they embark on this journey of becoming more loving partners. We hope this episode inspires you to take these steps, to embark on a path of emotional growth and deeper connection. Remember, love is an ongoing process of understanding, caring and evolving together. Thank you for joining us on Couch Psychology. Until next time, keep nurturing your relationship and yourself.